so bright and fast. Jungle race day's here at last. Monkey friends all line up straight. Ready now, don't be late. Run, run through the jungle race, swinging vines and funny pace, jumping rocks and climbing trees, racing quickly through the breeze. Leo Lion stomps ahead, Polly Parrot flies overhead, Ellie Elephant swings her trunk, splashing through the muddy dunk. Run, run, clap your hands, race with Kiko through the lands, laughing, cheering all the way, having fun all through the day. Kiko leaps from vine to vine, bananas waiting at the finish line. Everyone shouts, hip hooray, friends all win when they play.